Welcome, curious minds, to a journey into the future where innovation knows no bounds. From futuristic transportation to mind-boggling architecture, these innovations are not just ideas on paper. They're tangible glimpses into the extraordinary future that awaits. Number 1. Overture. Aviation enthusiasts have probably heard of the American team Boom Supersonic. In particular, they work on supersonic planes for commercial aviation, and the results have been so good that even the military is interested. Meet Overture, a plane that can fly from Miami to London in less than 5 hours. In comparison, a direct American Airlines flight on this route takes 8 hours and 40 minutes. The maximum speed of the Overture is more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. It seats 65 to 85 passengers and boasts a range of 7,800 kilometers. The American team plans to start production in 2025 and launch scheduled flights by 2029. Number 2. SuperSuit. Introducing a gaming platform that finally brings games to real life. Stop looking at the world through a screen and get ready to unlock your superpowers. It comes with a number of preloaded games and lets you download more. SuperSuit's advanced gesture engine translates your hand gestures into incredible superpowers to unleash shockwaves, generate force fields, and much more. With SuperSuit, you can start playing anywhere, right out of the box. You don't need a phone computer, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connection. Take your suits to a park, beach, or even a desert, and they will connect to each other. Number 3. Audi Activesphere. The German company Audi also has something to surprise us. This is how they think premium mobility of the future looks like. You're looking at the Activesphere concept vehicle. It can transform into a pickup truck and was designed for outdoor activities and off-road adventures with adjustable ground clearance from 208 to 248 millimeters. There's ample room for bicycles and a ski rack on the roof. 2 electric motors provide a total of 442 horsepower, and the range on a single charge is 600 kilometers. The interior has been upgraded. Instead of screens, the driver and passengers have AR glasses at their disposal. They can look at any elements of the car and see the settings. For example, if they look at the speakers, they can see the volume settings. According to the company, the Activesphere will not go into production, but some features will be used in future Audi models. Number 4. Maserati Neptune. Let's turn our attention to the stunning Maserati Neptune, an elegant e-racer from one of Italy's most renowned automakers. The Neptune is powered by Formula E, one of the most potent electric powertrains available. Its battery is strategically placed behind the front wheels, and its aerodynamic design incorporates a front splitter and a substantial rear diffuser. This car combines aggression with elegance in its design. The front end is sharp and dynamic, while the overall body maintains sleekness and sophistication. An ample gap under the cockpit maximizes airflow towards the rear diffuser, enhancing its performance. Number 5. Evolved 3D printing. Okay, so it is not like we do not already have 3D printing around today. We have been tinkering with this technology for almost 40 years. However, like other new techs, designers are just starting to explore the process's true potential. Scientists are working on using 3D printers to create working organs suitable for human transplant operations. 3D printing could also make vitamins and food catered to a person's specific nutritional requirements. It would be of little surprise if 3D printing accounted for most manufacturing processes for cars or future space technology. Number 6. Mukaab, touted as the gateway to another world, marks the ambitious vision for Riyadh, Saudi Arabia's capital city, by 2030. Described as the new face of Riyadh, the Mukaab cubic skyscraper is set to redefine the skyline. With a staggering area exceeding 2 million square meters and each side measuring 400 meters, it dwarfs iconic structures like the Empire State Building, fitting 20 of them within its cubic expanse. Envisioned as a city within a city, Mukaab promises to offer a multifaceted experience. boasting malls, hotels, theaters, offices, museums, and even an opera house. The centerpiece is a spiral tower nestled inside the cube, adding a unique architectural element. However, this extraordinary venture comes at a substantial cost, with conservative estimates placing the overall expense, including the surrounding area, at a whopping $48 billion. Number 7. Haxon Smart Air Fan. Introducing the Haxon Smart Air Fan, a versatile solution catering to diverse needs for a comfortable night's sleep. Beyond delivering cool air, it offers warmth, soothing music, soft light, and the assurance of clean air. Haxon's air fan employs a 3-step purification system, utilizing UVC light, HEPA, and carbon filters, effectively removing 99.9% of airborne particles. Featuring a PTC ceramic heating plate, it provides on-demand warm air. Described as a smart fan, its dual motor bladeless design is tailored for placement above a bed's headboard. The integrated alarm includes a sunrise setting, complemented by a nightlight for late-night reading. With an integrated Bluetooth speaker, this fan seamlessly connects with devices and interfaces with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, enhancing the overall sleeping experience. Number 8. Mini Urbanaut. The Mini Urbanaut transcends conventional notions of a car, presenting a visionary reimagining of urban mobility. With a dedicated emphasis on sustainability and adaptability, it introduces a fresh perspective on city living. The adaptive design seamlessly tailors itself to create an optimal environment for every mood or moment. This transformative vehicle effortlessly adjusts both its exterior and interior, becoming the ideal stage for your urban experiences. Through intelligent space utilization, it maximizes comfort and utility within a minimal footprint, offering a harmonious blend of innovation and practicality for the urban dweller. Number 9. Smart Duvet. The Smart Duvet is here to make our dreams come true. The device consists of a flexible inflatable structure placed between the duvet and the duvet cover, along with a compressor that fills it with air based on the schedule you set. This innovative system ensures your bed is neatly made at the hour of your choosing. The developers promise the net to be almost unnoticeable in the non-inflated state, especially if your duvet is filled with feathers or other fluffy material. Simply place the net between the duvet and the duvet cover, connect it to the compressor under your bed, and let the powerful compressor efficiently make even a bulky duvet lie flat. Program the device through the mobile application, creating a weekly schedule tailored to your preferences, whether it's earlier on working days or a bit later on weekends or weeks. The original Smart Duvet is available for pre-order. Number 10. SeaPod. If you don't want to live in the desert, welcome to the ocean. These pods have already gone into production, and about 100 units will be completed by the end of this year. Prices range from $295,000 to $1.5 million, depending on the size and contents of the pod. For example, the 73 square meter version offers 3 levels, including a bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, and storeroom. If that's not enough, there's a special barbecue party module available that increases the area by about 20%. The height above the water is 2.2 meters, so drones will be used to deliver small loads, while large ones will be carried by autonomous vessels. As we wrap up this thrilling journey into the future, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which concept amazed you the most? Drop your comments below and let's spark a conversation about the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers, because in this ever-evolving world, the future is a conversation we're all a part of. Stay curious, stay inspired, and together, let's shape the future.